Hey everyone! Today I'll show you the best working Saily coupon code you can use right now to save on your next eSIM plan. This code works in any country, and it gives you instant savings plus bonus value for future purchases with Saily. To use the coupon, just enter the code DEAL15 at checkout, or simply click the first link in the description box below. The discount will apply automatically. Once you're on the Saily homepage, you can select the country you want an eSIM for. Then choose your preferred data plan. For example, the 1 GB package, originally $3.99, instantly drops to about $3.39 after applying the coupon. That's a 15% discount applied right away. After you've picked your plan, proceed to checkout. If the coupon didn't apply automatically, just type DEAL15 in the coupon box and click Apply. You'll see your total update with the discount amount. And that's it. You've just saved money on your next Saily eSIM. Make sure to use this exclusive Saily coupon code DEAL15 before it expires and enjoy seamless connectivity wherever you travel. Thanks for watching and happy travels.